Okay, I'm doing a blog about Naomi because I can. So I'm changing her right now before she's turned on because I'm kind of afraid to change her while she's turned on because I don't want to like kill her. I already have her pants off, but let's see how I did this before. I took her arms out first. This would be a lot easier on a real child because you can actually, you know, bend the limbs of a real child, but this one doesn't have really bendy limbs. So we're just gonna have to make do. Jesus. I feel like I could have done that an easier way, but these babies have like everything a real baby does, like genitalia and nipples. So basically you're not supposed to let the head fall back far or else it will die. I'm gonna be putting her in this, and my cat's in the what do you call it? Car seat. Literally just forgot what you call it. How do I put you in this? You're such a good baby. She turns on at 4. I don't know what time it is. 3:36. So close, but not really to the time that she turns on and becomes active. I will be documenting how I do whenever she, oh my god, whenever she cries. And yeah, the only times that she'll be quiet necessarily is on Sunday. This is crazy. Don't do this with a real child, of course, but you can do it with a fake one. And then zip this one up. So there she is in her little, I don't know why they have 3 different outfits, but oh my god. There she is. Little Naomi. Goo goo gaga. What do you need, child? A bottle. She wanted a bottle. Thirsty. You done? Zane. Always wanting the milk. So watch what happens when I take it away. She gets angry. Well, I'm gonna end it here because she won't stop drinking. Hello. I'm gonna be changing Naomi into her pajamas. As carefully as I can. She's been good so far. Couple of tantrums, but that's okay. She has drunk a lot of milk, and I'm not sure why, but the only thing I've done so far is change her diaper like twice, feed her like 4 different times, and rock her. Oh, and she's burped. Only once though. I'm just putting on her pants. pajamas are really cute, and I'm kind of like putting my arm in her face, but it's okay. Yes, we're putting on pajamas. Calm down. She is in her pajamas. I'm probably just gonna have her in the car seat the whole night because I don't know where else I'll put her. So let me just turn you around. So you can't have the baby's neck go back because that's not good. I hope you're okay like that for the whole night. I've done changing her diaper after, because the last time I did was at 3 a.m. And then I fed her, and then she wanted to be burped. It is officially the next day, with Naomi. I'm awake at 8:58, almost 9 o'clock. On the weekends, I usually sleep longer, but not with Naomi. I'm gonna change her back into these clothes. I've been woken up twice now, and I don't know how to feel about it. Like, I'm not mad because I know it's supposed to do that, but I'm just tired. I'm gonna get my axolotl again to hold her head up, because like I said before, I'm not supposed to have the head back. And you will notice that her feet are out because I was too lazy to Velcro it back up. After her first diaper change, I was like, you know what, we're just gonna let your legs out. And I would not do that for a real baby. If this were real, I would put the clothes back on the baby after a diaper change. All I know is that they don't eat as much as Naomi does, because Naomi eats a lot. Put your hands up, and you're gonna secure this better on your butt. Alright, you ready for pants? I feel like the pants are the easiest part of this. Alright, we're gonna twist you around here, Naomi, just so I can get a better... Alright, don't do that. She will cough. I am sorry I did that to you. I didn't realize you would cough like that. These pants are gonna be great to take off when I need to change her diaper. That's done. Now time for this. I think this might be easier because all you gotta do is just put it over her head. I'm not trying to suffocate her. You're cool, right? Alright, let's see. One arm through. This one's the hardest because it's like open, and so the thumb gets caught. Thummy, there we go. And then we'll put your little mitts on one. I think I'm using the outfits right. I don't know if I am or not, but we'll see. Say bye, Naomi. Bye. you need? No? Let's see if this is a diaper. I might just keep the pants off. Hold your horses. And there she goes. But I'm probably not gonna put the pants on because it's hard enough to put them on and then take them right off when I need to change you, okay? Hope you enjoyed that. It's the end of day 2, and I think we're both very tired. Today was interesting, not with Naomi, just in general. It wasn't a very good day. So basically, so that's what happens when you don't support their head, and it scares the ever-loving shit out of me when it happens. And I apologize. I'm sorry. That scared both you and me, and we're not gonna let that happen again. Okay? So I'm gonna try to multitask right here. Basically, we're having a renovation done at our house, and it's happening on Monday, this Monday, and first it's gonna happen in my room, and so we had to do a lot of stuff up here today, so, you know, juggling between taking care of Naomi and also just putting stuff in boxes and figuring out, you know, how my mom and I are gonna coexist in the same area for God knows how long. I'm tired. I want Naomi to go back where she belongs at the school. I think I'm gonna wait to be a parent because I really do want to be a mom. That's something on my to-do list, of course, on my bucket list, but not now. Because that scream that she just made scared so many Jesuses out of me that I don't want it to happen again. I don't know. It's very, very scary, and it's the truth. I mean, it will happen if you don't support a baby's neck,